Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Google Forms not require sign in. Remember, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser search bar over here and then type in Google Forms for you to get logged in. Now, for Google Forms, like I said previously, you do not need to go through a world of signing in processes. If you already have your Gmail address, like I do, signed in to your system or your phone or whatever you're using for the purpose of this, remember that as long as you have your Google signed in, you already have premium access to Google Forms. Now you want to click on the first link to get yourself signed in. Now, this is what the Google Form dashboard looks like. Now, we want to show you how to make Google Forms not require signing. So, you either go to your recent forms to use any of these, or you just head over to start a new form. Right, so I'll just use this for the purpose of this video. Just click on my form, and this is what my Google Form looks like. Now, to ensure that my form do not require signing every single time I want to use it, I'll head over to settings. Now, you can find settings at the top over here and click on that, and then head over to responses, which is the second option underneath settings. I'll click on the drop down menu over here, and as you can see, I have collect email addresses, send responders a copy, which is not what we require. So down here you can see that requires sign in and it's limited to one response. So what you just want to do is close that. All right, and then head back to your Google form. So with those settings change, you can now access your Google form without having to sign in every single time. So this is how you can make your Google form not require signing. So remember, head over to settings, head over to responses, click on the drop down menu if it's closed like this, and then head over to limit one response and then close that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was simple for you and now you know how to make Google form not require sign in. Until the next one, bye for now.